Welcome to this new mini-series on using Google Sheets to create self-correcting digital activities for students. This first video will focus on the prep work for creating these fun activities. I'm Ashley Hagen, Tech Integrationist with the Southwest West Central Cooperative. Perhaps your only experience with spreadsheets involves formulas to add numbers or create budgets. You likely use them for data sets to create tables. However, we can use spreadsheets to create self-correcting worksheets. You can then use these as assessments, an activity for small groups or independent practice, distance learning options, or as extension activities. As with anything in education, a little planning ahead will help you with the creation of this product. Here are some examples of various self-correcting Google Sheets activities. They all have a little different setup. Some just use color coding to indicate if it's right or wrong. Some use pixel art to reveal an image as students get correct answers. And some include the use of a progress bar. Not shown, but some have questions appear with drop-down menus and so much more. Decide how you might want your project to look. A couple of recommendations. 1. Create your questions on another document. If you have any images or anything complex, build it in another program such as Canva or PowerPoint. Spreadsheet programs don't allow you to easily build images. For my example, I am going to use a worksheet that was generated on a free worksheet generating website. The images you create will be snipped, so don't worry about getting them into any fancy format. In this last step of prep, open up a Google Sheet by typing in sheets.new into the URL bar, then name your project. In the next video, we'll begin inserting content into the spreadsheet as we begin making this digital self-correcting activity.